everyone, welcome to Mackenzie. So we are into the another session of Fusion 360 in which we are going to cover Loft tool available in the Fusion 360. It is a very effective tool through which we can connect different cross-section sketches to make a model whose geometry varies along a particular axis. So in this session we are going to cover this loft feature for making the model. So in this two or more different sketches are made at the different planes and they can be connected smoothly using the loft feature. So like you are seeing in the sketch below, so there are three sketches starting from right. It is a circle, then we have hexagon followed by square. So let us make it one by one. So for that, go to Fusion 360, select new file, new design, and then go to sketch, select front plane, and make a circle of say about 30 mm. So we circle is made, finish sketch. So as you see in the sketch, there are three different sketches which are at different planes. So what we have to do, we have to select and construct two different planes which are offset from the front plane. So first is taken at about 70 mm and second is taken at around 150 mm from the front plane. So now we have three different planes. Select first plane and on this we will make a polygon. We can make anyone inscribe polygon, align with the center, make a polygon. Then click dimension, give it a dimension of say 30 mm and make this bottom edge as horizontal. So now we have two sketches ready. We can use these two for making a loft feature, but first we will create the third one and we will see the power of loft. Go to create sketch, select the second plane and make a center rectangle over it. Say of 25 mm. Make this vertical and horizontal equal. Center along the origin. So we have now three sketches. So now go to create loft. So when loft feature is selected, then it has few of the options available. First tab we have profile, rail and few of the other options. Then we have analysis tab where we can do zebra, curvature map and isocurve analysis. But it is an advanced feature. Here we will going to develop a model using no feature. So first we have to select the profiles. So for that click on the circle, profile 1. It has the option of connected and direction. We will see just in a second that what will the utility of these. Then select another profile. So now they are connected. So from circle to hexagon, the smooth transition is there. We can rotate these handles to change the shape of the object. then select on third object. So as you see, when they are connected, it is just giving the maximum curvature. But if we click on direction, then it is more smoother than the earlier one connected feature. So by this way, two or more profiles of different number of edges, vertices, and at different planes can be connected to give a object which is having profile varying at different cross sections. Then we have this rail and center line as the guide type. So by default rail is selected. If we click on center line, nothing happens, only this takeoff weight and angles are there, which was earlier not in the guide type. So body can be new, join, intersect, new component. Many options are there similar to extrude feature. If we click on close, then this third profile is connected to the first to close it. So if we move this, if we connect profile 1 circle with the this sharp point, then this cone is developed. So whatever is our requirement, we can develop by selecting the appropriate points, edges, or whole sketch. So by this way, sharp and point features can be used. So if we want to see the feature using center line of the guide rail, we have to make another sketch to the right plane. First open the sketches, they are hidden, so we are able to see that, and then make a spline from the center of first object. So object is visible it. So by this way a spline is created. We are not fully defining it because we want to see how it can be change the shape of our lofted geometry. So instead of this center line, we selecting if we select this spline as a center line, then this is distorted. So we have to take care of the orientation and direction of the center line that it will create a visible object. So let me change again and let us delete it. Again make a spline and now edit this feature, click center line and select it. So it is still giving the error because With this kind of spline and center line, object cannot be created. So let us check another variety of spline. So it is not taking this as a center line for as a rail. For center line, if we take it, so as center line is not intersecting the geometry of the profiles, so we are not able to use it for loft. So let us check again. Yeah. So now it is working. So as you see, if we give this line as a center line, then the object geometry changes like this. It is square at this section, hexagonal at the middle portion approximately, and circular at the bottom. So as you see, it is a very powerful tool. So that's all for the current session. I hope that you have learned this loft feature and find it very useful for developing objects whose cross section varies along the axis of the object. Also, we have play with the loft feature using centerline as well as rail. So rail is the default option and centerline is the option through which we can change the shape of the object along the main axis. So now I would like to request you to kindly share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they will also learn using Loft for their model development.